This is why the hummingbird possesses superpower abilities. The hummingbird possesses superpower abilities due to its incredible flight capabilities. With rapid wing flapping of up to 80 times per second, it can hover midair with unparalleled precision, even in challenging conditions. This unique adaptation allows it to access nectar from flowers with ease, making it a highly efficient pollinator. The hummingbird's exceptional agility and maneuverability enable it to perform aerial acrobatics, navigate through dense foliage, and escape from predators swiftly. These remarkable flight attributes make the hummingbird a true avian wonder,